How to make Outlook calendar reminders stay on top in Windows 7. I'm just starting to use Windows 7 and I want to know how to make my Outlook reminders pop up and show themselves prominently. They keep opening discreetly, as just another window in the Outlook stack on the taskbar. As a result, I keep overlooking them because they pop up behind everything else. How do I make them less easy to overlook? Clearly, one usually doesn't want obnoxious apps that push themselves to the forefront. But there are a few places where such behavior is desirable, and Outlook calendar reminders are one of them.
I had the same problem with Outlook 2010. Use the steps mentioned below, it works like a charm. Don't forget to enable all macros, Trust Center is greater than macro settings. Create a digital certificate for later, hit Start and type Certificate, select Digital Certificate for the projects. Enter a name for your certificate. Click OK. Open Outlook and hit Alt plus F11 to start the editor. In the tree on the left, expand Microsoft Office Outlook objects and double-click on this Outlook session. Paste in this code. Sign the macro so it will run, Tools is greater than digital signature. And choose the certificate you created earlier. Close the window. Enable all macros in File is greater than Options is greater than Trust Center is greater than Trust Center Settings is greater than Macro Settings.
AutoHotkey can also be used to solve this. This script will put the reminder window on top without stealing focus, tested with Win 10, Outlook 2013. Awk script, compiled exe.
The best answer I found is here, how to get Outlook appointment reminders to pop up in front of other windows again using some simple for. It entails adding a few lines of simple for code to this Outlook session. Now, it pops up a window every time. Much better. Create a digital certificate for later. Hit Start and type Certificate, select Digital Certificate for the projects. Enter a name for your certificate. Done. Open Outlook and hit Alt plus F11 to start the web editor. In the tree on the left, expand Microsoft Office Outlook objects and double-click on this Outlook session. Paste in this code, modifying the text in quotes to suit your preferences. Leave the quotes in. Sign the macro so it will run by going to Tools is greater than digital signature, and choosing the certificate you created earlier. Close the window.
As of version 1803, February 2018, the Show Reminders on top of other Windows option is now available. It does not appear to be enabled by default.